Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alif Novialdino, and then I'm in class A2 2022, and my student ID is 222200073. And in here, I can explain SFL or Systemic Functional Linguistics. Okay. Meaning of SFL. Systemic Functional Linguistics is a theory of language developed by linguist Michael Holiday. Its view language as a social semiotic system, emphasizing the ways in which language functions in social contexts. For a key concept, number one is functionality, and systemic functional linguistics posits that language serves three primary functions. Number one is ideational, conveying information and ideas about the world. And number two is interpersonal, facilitating social interaction and relationships. And number three is textual, organizing language into coherent text. And the next is systemic nature. Language is seen as a system of choice speakers choose from various linguistic options to convey meaning based on context of situation. SFL emphasizes the importance on context in understanding language. It's considered factors such as the participant, the setting, and the purpose of communication. Next is register. This refers to the variation in language use depending on the context, include file, what is happening, tenor, the participant in their relationships, and mode, the form of communication. For next slide is applications. SFL or Systemic Function Linguistics is widely used in fields such as education, linguistics, discourse analysis, and language teaching. It provides tools for analyzing text and understanding how language functions in different social contexts. Next is definition. Definition of mood system. The mood system encompasses the grammatical structures that convey the speaker's attitude towards the proposition of the clause, indicating whether they are making a statement, asking a question, giving a comment, or expressing a wish. And in the next slide is types of mood. Number one is indicative mood. This indicative have 2 points. Number one is used for making statement or asking question, and number two example. She is reading a book, and statement is she reading a book question. And the next is imperative mood. For number one is used for giving comments, requests, or instruction. For example, close the door, comment. Okay, and the next is subjunctive mood. And in number one is used to express wise hypotheticals or conditions contrary to fact. For example, if I were rich, I would travel the world. Hypothetical. And this is slide. I have 3 mood choice in clauses. Number one is declarative clauses and express statement or assertions. And the example is the conference was informative. And the next is interrogative clauses. For number one, pose questions which can be yes or no question or what question. And for example, what did you learn at the conference? And the last clauses is imperative clauses. Number one is comment or request, and the number two for example, please share your insight. The next is modality and mode. Modality refers to the degree of certainty, necessity, or obligation expressed in a clause. Modality can be expressed through modal verbs, e.g., can, should, must, and affects the mood of the clause. For example, you should attend the workshop expresses necessity. And for a next slide is a function of the mood system. Number one, expressing attitudes and intentions. The mood system allows speaker to convey their feelings, intention, and attitudes toward the information being communicated. For example, I hope you can join us. Express a wise. And number two, structuring interaction. The mood system plays a crucial role in structuring social interaction, indicating the relationship between speakers and listeners. For example, could you help me? Polite request. Number three and the last, creating cohesion in discourse. The use of different modes contributes to the coherence and flow of this discourse, guiding the listener's understanding of the speaker intention. And the example is, let's discuss the findings. Invitation to engage. And this my PowerPoint. I have the analysis and you can check in my PowerPoint. Okay, thank you for attention and then wabillahi taufik walhidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.